And then yeah, the Almighty Honorable William. And he didn't shut here. God is so good, and nobody so I shall the party colors. I tell you for me. Yeah, as I saw him on life, just say how the people coping with him. Therefore, you have so Shasia saying, and in purpose, who are we do personality profile today, live on your show. The people show, our show. Jerry Kofi with yours truly now for Super 81st. And I say, some media, I'm a car about card in office one. And baby, I will share you with you.
Mamma's how far when you wish to be on a man here. And before you name on my assembly electoral area. Now I'm in here, many are only out of what he actually. And it as well. And so I do when I nearly that's why you said you be to me I am. You will Irish you said you be to me I am. Since you are the chance and you can see be winning election. It can be a strategical, you know, you be first one, you be to me a winning election, and not say ye baby a brasse a council. Send your papa near my bibli, profu bibli, abamobuni a cake. But one of my policy. Me aim pa me dereba me jemi de se ebeboa NPP mebru no maya kambo na yebeyi edidije afiri ho yebeyi pesem nkominya yebeyi wonya wa mam yebeyi wan freyen edu campaign na ye hu ni nyina afiri mu se we want to call all the youth on board na ye work it together. The involvement of the youth of the new patriotic party will make the party stand. And we are and my fancy in Timu say, and now would you be a Debbie? It is because the MP is working. Now say yes, you had Yamwa Ekotai MP Nechia. You say in Kunumdi Ebebamo. This time around, Yanko Point Yadomini Eba, we are not going to allow the NDC. Electoral area beer now places beer Wofan Falano. I am going to work over there. And we are going to get all these seats back. Now Yebabe Buen Pino Aye Juma. Now this is one of my initiatives. NPP of Front Desk Initiative. We want to create this initiative no. Nyankopon ya adoma se omanfo ne de edemwa no eboa me nempo wanfa mamma ya ne obeba no mebo modin se yebetumi age na we etumi abe yebe create this initiative no take the concern of the youth eto me bia o na me frɛ we wanfa na me kan se ma kire we wanfa ina kura ne ni di nkomo ina kura ne ye konbo nti yebe launch this initiative to reduce unemployment among party youth by connecting them to jobs, internships, and skills training opportunities. And these are the key actions that will be taken. So after the launching, we'll partner with local businesses, artisans, NGOs, and government agencies. Create a youth employment database, organize career guidance, and then connect you to NAPCO style entrepreneurship and apprenticeship programs. Inti yansu ye kwa kohwehwe bi di aba. Me say ye beboa MP no. Enye bia na ye twen MP, ye twen minister bi, ye twen abamu nipa bi. We are also going to contribute. And we be able to be aboa ye beboa ye nuanom a se bi wo pen numa they need the attention of the party no. We'll be there for them.
Okay.
Now you have no concern about. You will receive it, work on it. If you have modern say, Melbourne who been here. Young come 4 years beyond as young be pouch. As we are together working, maybe I will say, Yadi Boy, and you must say, we are not visiting your police station or your home for once, but as youth, day in and day out, will be moving with you. Malaysia say all the towns in from Obosumasi to Okrasi, at least we'll have youth coordinators over there. I am your mobile here, Juma. Once we back grounds, we want to see the concern of the people near to me. Yes, opportunity be a baby, you share among ourselves. I'm not the only person going to work at the youth wing, but among us, collective ideas, you be move on now to me. The welfare of the youth. The welfare of the youth. Yere bon modern say, yebe ma welfare no mebulu no welfare hu ehia ye no. Se bi enye yebe to abanko an ye hia o. Na mum se bibi to a e wo se party ni pie mu mi ehunu se odon amanoku a osom wombo. And this is what we are going to do to support the people, good people of the criminal constituency.
Okay.